So peaceful and quiet. It's everybody's in bed, getting ready for work on a Monday morning. It's nice down here, wee lights and wee tables and stuff. You have a good night. First nighttime ride this year. Got a light on my handlebars there, and I've also got a light on my helmet here, so when I move my head I can see more stuff. And it's Bremer. I know this place, like, but still, it's fine. Yeah. That's Rip. Nighttime Rip. Oh, it's so good at nighttime. Hey, wee bunny rabbit. On a Sunday night, Monday morning, surrounded just by darkness. It's good right down at night time, and yeah, see what's there. The moon is up there, dude. It's so peaceful. Here. Hey buddy, what's up? What's up? Stay off the trails, make it hit. What do you do when your ball's deep in the forest, 2 o'clock in the morning, and you find that? Super bright lights.